Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you certainly. Here's a script for a YouTube video review of solar-powered LED wind chimes. This script aims to be informative, visually engaging, and provides an honest opinion on the product. It includes an introduction, product overview, features, benefits, drawbacks, personal experience, and a conclusion. Hello and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're taking a look at something truly enchanting, solar-powered LED wind chimes. Join me as we explore whether these wind chimes can add both melody and beauty to your outdoor spaces. Here we have the solar-powered LED wind chimes, a combination of renewable energy and aesthetic design. These chimes are designed to harness solar power to illuminate LED lights, creating a mesmerizing light display as they sway with the wind. Crafted from durable materials, they're meant to withstand various weather conditions, making them an ideal addition to any garden, patio, or balcony. Let's delve into what makes these wind chimes special. Solar-powered LEDs charges during the day and automatically lights up at night. Color-changing lights features a spectrum of colors that change to create a magical ambience. Quality craftsmanship made from durable materials, ensuring longevity and resistance to weather elements. Easy installation comes with a hook, making it simple to hang anywhere outdoors. Melodious tones designed to produce gentle, soothing sounds that are harmonious and never overwhelming. The benefits of these wind chimes are clear. Eco-friendly, solar-powered means no batteries or electricity required. Decorative adds a touch of elegance and color to your outdoor space. Therapeutic, the combination of gentle lights and soothing sounds can create a relaxing atmosphere. Versatile, suitable for various outdoor settings, including gardens, patios, and balconies. However, there are a couple of downsides. The lights may not be very bright in areas with limited sunlight, and the chimes might not be loud enough for those who prefer more audible tones. Having used these solar-powered LED wind chimes for several weeks, I've found them to be a charming addition to my garden. The light display is captivating, especially at dusk, and the sounds are indeed calming. However, I noticed that on cloudy days, the lights aren't as bright, which was a bit disappointing. Also, the sound can be quite subtle, which is perfect for quiet evenings but might not be noticeable during a lively gathering. In summary, these solar-powered LED wind chimes are a great buy for anyone looking to add a touch of whimsy and tranquility to their outdoor space. They're eco-friendly, easy to install, and visually striking. If you're okay with the light and sound intensity, they could be a fantastic addition to your home. Thank you for watching our review of the solar-powered LED wind chimes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more, and as always, happy decorating.